church mama kwa bambra bridge and then the web entertainment the politics dan ka we na eje ya twa entertainment mu
sir asem na de be ma sorry
na aya te se Lumba bo obidin wom na all this why we didn't know say eye wo kokofui na wo bo odin no Eugenics o ma mo shara was near de na mpacho ehe na nim number e free ya ben na wo share no ne ne adwuma pen
ma mema tiefo achia no pay ene ahwefo nyina na emphasize that my twedi ampo kopim se ono na adumara kwa na de bia chie da ye ni ansori a inu bia bisa no na no memenda mini a obo ni dini na Ghana fo nyina ebo ni din no obi ebo no nyumi onyame ato sa afre no obi ni nyame ni nsembisa utimi musa nyame sa adai se de open no ye ono ano de no dum amansan no de no dum abusia no de no dum Ghana nti osemra so omra fie no magina home nti baby akodwo obi a no pay
na wacha wada ma ya no ma oneso ka kinim sare ho aba ma
ya no baby akodwo anope bia no me stress onyame ade ne kra be sie sa na ufo adofo a wonso anyom baby ko nyina onyame mfa on kra sie mai 1985 exactly 40 years in it.
Wow.
Yes, and wow. You share more Germany. Sabre no precisely West Berlin and San ever call West Germany. It's meneno nana champon and some few guys. It's nephew bako.
Wow.
Hona abuchra boshasi hona musical career and as entertainment industry in the career. Nyina de shase. Na enyume di kan ye yaka continue.
Wow.
No na uhumedi wo mti enyum yaka continue no di 39 years.
Enyum na 39 years. Yes. Still a purpose.
Yes, 39 years. Nti mrantie be nso na ehye mu na as usual makoye me appening nti na chese more or less my is a leader of the group and as a leader of Yania Ohono. Okay. The original Daddy Lumba brothers. Yes, Shasi 1985. Yedikai ko it's now Krobisoni friend Osnabrück.
Which you come on?
Yes, now Osnabrück, Bumpter Strasse, number 5. Just a Bumpter Street, number 5. And son you move a call another crew a friend of Egone. To be in German, be of Egone between Bremen and Oldenburg, or Niedersachsen. Yes, it's only a chassis. Na akusia sewa, ni o mami enu na we ntem. Akusia sewa na ma Janet. We started from there. A koya could do the nim pempenswa on talent ne be daddy. Ye na ne ahia makasa ne edoso. Ba na me nim nyum to. The senior dana sekra me nti na enyame de no emum eye wo mienu eye na champon ne Lumba ona na wa chede nti clearly ye hu ye na makoye nua pani na ese me boa na me support o na omutimi develop talent no any career no nti I promise the team say me de me go back to Ghana na mako back to school na in 30 years on be rule Ghana no man no me ka ho bi nti me ko boa boa.
Wow, you saw the vision.
Yeah. So and the guy said Chairman General Peace FM. One day I interview me Lumba say on the program so and all these stories came out. It is sometimes Yana anyone be bring one how to connect me to the music
and politics.
Yes. Yaka continue me making just a bit, you know, or yen chef yen say
no more hanyom no na yembo still mo boa honka wo papa.
Yes, it basically sana onyame de on shase wo entertainment industry. But my main case is sebra omo Ghana ha nyina no na omu energy music wo mo di mpanifo achi onom nya de. And that champion, for instance, there, na me net the same area or North interest or Bantama.
Me area no.
Oh,
my face house on Trestle.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. You see?
Wow.
Na champo there, na mnene the same area. Charles na Germany na Ishia Yankasa. That was 1985. Until babe 10 days ago I was in Hamburg. Later ni nyina move call Hamburg. Or no call Frankfurt, ne Cologne. Or ne Kusiase was settle ho. Until it's a long story. Yeah.
And 1985, this song was born. Still, you hear beat, you know. Resani and you born in Chima 85 granny and whoopee, but you're born we are. Say from the beats to the production to the lyrics is still popping. Yeah, I can't go into 39 years on. You ain't your number.
Honorable. Honorable, see, I got you. Honorable Cocofu. Yeah, no more. Or bow beats. Now your boy in now. Yeah, no power. Woo! A brother of pussy. Yeah, got you. Honorable. I got you. On in the region next year. Yeah, got you. Honorable, see, I got you. Honorable Cocofu. Yeah, no more. Or bow beats. Now your boy in now. Yeah, no power. Woo!
Me say and you wait till now bogus be too. So be an papers and who I or the yen who is me yaka there's one boy yes and you way bonny adeno na or honum. Young qua me bra penny bracracy so one of guys na Lumba busho na when you are or so one more. Se Lumba wo event be show be na Andy Dosty ni hwa Lumba to me friend is a flight baby I will be a bra because Nejuma so any and arguably the best DJ to ever do it, different generations, ladies and gentlemen, Andy Dosty. Breakfast in Patrol, good morning.
Good morning, Patrol somewhere.
Patrol Radio Adom now on sway.
Yeah, the granny.
Well, they send the account because you had a very close relationship with Daddy Lumba. I want to book a phone so studio ha, and also take you through the journey. Yeah, Yembisa won so only Lumba journey ne started free here fan since when I be an official DJ on any edgeman's net to say ni.
Minchia ashefuni anafi minchia mebra honorable Kufu. Honorable good morning.
Good morning.
The be 2 years ni and Lumba ena bien okay say no all live band biom. Kopim say and you may be touching makaka. Matter of fact, na okobo program bia na me wo na nye bibi kesi bia enti sadia obi here DJ Dinechi and omo connect me man so me bo man ba ko pe from the intro to performance until he finished. Just an amazing performance. You really are no catch me said. Chaloni, at the end the baby I see me go be a me no because and now I be was see and a chance the able concert kesi.
Wow.
So he started a junior part and thinking from that time. As we speak, Nanka, ye kwa America and in Canada. And there's a business behind the home. Because say until recently, and I'm say na akwaba UK class on Nakasa. Then they sending me conversations on what have you. Meeting komono kase. Omo live band room ti. Just offer Andy. Andy knew the ebe here. Me guy say no January your American friends say Valentine's Day. There's a concert be away. Me say it's all over social media. Nah, me catch a brand Minigana was you. Unigana was so to me back. Them cats are going with you. Oh, me one and Yako. Say, but your Lumba your money tickets, Mamma. My friend back there, I quite serious, but sending any abri. And I'm maybe do ya, the ball. So event I go say no she hoodie red and say hey that night na Saturday across ABP ho. And a little background to Saturday Adian. He was not even part of the plan because me one friend said yes Saturday about I'm saying and I am performing ne. So imagine if I did not have the song in Kasama. But yeah, I missed the performance. No, we'll break, invite Sarkodie onto the stage, and then we continue. And instead, your cast, me and Pepe man. I only had a working relationship with him. And your best friend, maybe I say, a Juma time as well. And I said, you may be by here. Apart from that, the only time my best friend me I see any income about name be announcing was you release. No, catch them so be releasing from no. It's so funny. And the March, me releasing you no, I'm say bra. So releasing you na sa and you must song. We're releasing you ma, it must come with a video. Inti, to me releasing you na sa. Okay, but my minty answer. And he said, Brabeti, and I'm still sending my man, I'm into us, Debbie. Some sending man Ubufuna already.
Wow. That's a more.
Ubufuna's obo programs on me and then Debbie Brefi never be tea. Now, there's one other thing. I see me pass, he say. Nancy, I'm American, I'm needing come up. You didn't come on and make a far, name your man, Quanama. Now, me was an sender. No, I didn't feel saying no or trust I don't know because I think he was very young. Was he not 22? Was he 23 at the time? I was 23. No, Trump and his you were very young. I was Charlie that time now, Bravo, boom, hard. No, I wild, didn't he? Or the choice I was Then he gave me a background to some of the old songs. And I kind of see on you, maybe on Bessie Beppe for me cry because what's here? On Besobiti. Now they make us hear me any. And I mentioned that and you be a deposit on there on Peck Red TV. I'm saying the bra from me because me hear your productions was you. And it's so bad. Which me you show but men for penny. Come. Brana me I mean on Tenassi. Wow. This is how Juma.
Now it's an open in your meeting.
Oh, say, as a musician, you see, as a producer, maybe say, be able to meet him in old works. It's just a radio bar with my baby, like, oh, and I mean, I was saying, do a camera, and I was saying, yeah. And it was so tears, I know me, as Andy Wild tea production, be a and you are there, but who say, which we are reviving her, bra. Now, I mean, because. I remember saying live issue we didn't come one day or say he's actively involved in every production.
And so my question what I work say ne person to say Lumba ne one na nante no say ne hu no 1 month ne video na adwuma mu ni social no so one ne nante no obaka say Lumba to say ne person to say ni
sabi ni baby I want na so
na kre
any me say me bet me akaba nanu ya pra ya kun ya kun ya no obi ya kun ewie no ya dey bufu me ya hangi up in fact onu ka na hangi up me on ma no afrem ba boss and we are would bufu hangi ra o na hangi up I mean this is the obet you am what ya. But when it comes to his work, we need time for
grow.
Debbie. And you also no time, no sure. We rest studio, no time for calls, no time for visits. And rather ni distributors never go Big Ben.
Big Ben. Big Ben production.
Many Big Ben here didn't come when Big Ben here. She was telling me said, "Omako, omodisike command number omako ya studio." I'm training for hours when P.
Wow.
And I'm say, Mama, Sunday also here no so studio we need time for BBS go down BB anka because and you only knew and you knew where can you made it your catcher me so boy miss me so this is the kind of work ethic or
no
yeah
but that say I no pay when I'm reading say that Jenny ho Sammy do phone ne baz say and see beja na what we
do Saturday no even especially when I mentioned say my friend and the driver now
yes.
From that time till at about 1 a.m. My phone, after that, my birthday, maybe I'm charging my phone 2 or 3 times. But we know, like people calling me left, right, and especially no more names. I mean,
Jumano. The patrol, woman engine, I make a cry. Tibako, see, but I say, na Yakoswama Yako, Yadasa Sonia to train command pay.
That's right.
Andy Dosty and then a chain Como and I no pay, arguably the best DJ in Ghana ever, still mentoring or more Mudiachi, only Lumba and an air Juma, and honest was share on in a quaint to an in a Juma Jumuno. And after free was honorable, so it was studio. Honorable, was that Lumba was seen as MPP activist and MPP fan because he did the song, Yentimba, and honorable at Wasso, or you wait my MPP for Yentimba. Only artists or your political song will be a boomful. Their artists were Ghana or more political song pay normal fans more divided. That the Lumba pay any artists or your political song will be at the same time. You made a political song by the Chisulu could pay honorable or your new man and Ekufado or Shianeda.
Yedi can my main can be Victoria and you can about Charles and Ejumai.
No cray.
Sir, my corner my friend is a befi. I call near the be a 10-15 minutes. Now on PMI or studio. But just say, maybe they will be Piaba. The bars, Brian and studio away. So there be my and one answer. We couldn't feel our now cone. The manema be breed, plants. Until never call around. I hear one about some 2-3 minutes be and Sunday ako studio. Timatran in Chen studio or the studio near Dinkomo near Kasako. That's how.
That means Lumba you go pay more once or pay animals.
Yeah. He loves nature.
Okay.
Natural. He loves nature. Plants, animals, and yard. Okay. Quick, my memorable question. Yes, no cray. Nanado Danko Kufado was sending tribute. And okay. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia the instrument and the new Patriotic Party officially.
That's nice.
Now, Honorable Kennedy Japan so
okay, that's very nice. We'll be an Adom party in it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Madame Pennyfuas said Yakai Indiana. Okay. Drew baby in the inner circle of Nanaku for the then candidates. Now, I didn't know who said who be here see Benya campaign song. And there, it's a commodity. My mom in South Africa can arrange with that Lumba. Yeah, and Nananso so mama quality massive. So can you say yes, sir? It's arranged. It's brand new, you know. Now the papa mua as the same coffee Lumba then bread nana. I do dank kufuado fee nanka yes but and then anaka you know. Brazil money DM.
Wow.
I'm a descent. And I said, yes, I'll go to him. Let's go.
Wow, such a humble man.
Yeah. Nana the danko for Nasadina, Sagas Sana, or no, Sabreno. I got to love the man more.
Okay.
And Intina, Emu Bebre, Dina Shia, or politics Simoniade. And indeed, that day I sat in the car with Nana the danko Kufado. Yeah, the back seat of the car. And other bodyguards, no name, charge in the car. Sabrina Charles at Tantra Hill. So we drove straight to Tantra Hill. We could do a call on Ubi a Tenasi. Nana Omaya Kwaba, maybe Nana Kasu campaign song. So many of you could do a bank Nana. I'll do a campaign song for you. Now, me yet, Num no Manswa, Namsu Ubedin Kunim.
Wow,
I'm President of the Republic. Yes.
Oh,
yes.
Okay.
So.
When the fear is legal,
yeah.
Where is legal? The fear of current mood. Lumba fear horses.
And one actually, and Crantiane, Trabo anomnia na plants. I would do our show. Eti Daddy Lumba. Onyo be an or political activist. No, but na affiliation in the BBA or Donna or Woma New Patriotic Party na Emodu. With some of us around, you know, now we feel comfortable. That's nice. Andy, a year no can say, your program be no say Andy ni wa onye. It happened. Sometimes it happened to me.
Oh, okay. That's all. Do dia we here one in China.
I remember Kumasi. I think it was the 31st. Now, you know, Kumasi, you see, Chairman General, Kwame Adinkra. Adinkra mo promote 2 program be near there. I mean, what happened? That day, me decided to make a program. No, it's not no elsewhere. Then I got a call, and I go back 10 p.m. Kwame Adinkra, Kwame. So I'm not away. You see me fee. I say I'm here pa me ba. I'm say ade. But oh, ja kunu ni anko kasa mama asema to me. Also my state. Really? Then happening. So I got to the car and straight we went to the apartment. Yeah. Me drew bodyguards. You mo be but me drew na.
That's right.
The quarters na mbisano. Koje dey asema. No mami. Another version near there. The anam catches okay, nyare. For my sake, I said Omiako studio. No okay, Obeba. Nti Omunika. Na me dika kwame dika no China. They had to sit in the car side by side. And on my one condition. I said stage in so akopim so boy. I said you're ready. So I had to stay on the stage. Wow. So that's the man. Or attachment, that kind of thing. Or you two man no ajo atu. Ade a ompe e wona bra bo me kontompo. Waka we ne ochina na waka we. No, and dey Charles will not take it. Or you ni bi.
Okay. I'm still on New Patriotic Party. No, say new way say 4 more for nana. Yenti and also so embrace CCI. Yenti as patriotic as the party is, ne Adom or Lumba, any appreciation or more show no for now yama passing in and yankai ex-presidents Nana Danko Akufo-Addo tribute. Was with regret I have received the sad news of the passing of my dear friend and renowned music icon Charles Kojo Fosu. Daddy Lumba, as we affectionately call him, was a patron among musical greats of all time and had a special connection with his fans and the entire nation. His hit-making songs will remain lasting contributions to my presidential journey and will forever be attached in the annals of political campaign of the New Patriotic Party. He will be sorely missed. May he peacefully rest in the bosom of the Almighty until the last day of the resurrection, when we shall all meet again. Incoming General Secretary. You move now there. It's 3 favorite songs of Lumba. They obviously mean inside you're producing in the back home.
Yeah, naturally.
Yeah.
About 2 months ago now, me call Lumba. Me coach na me yense monthly bia na try se me ko ba na me ntimi nya bia. Timi ko na me ne kasa na. O ka say, "Hey, honorable, we the months here in Kugu." Na yenyina laptop. Ana me ka kira no say some party mu ni you nam so. My imagine say me gina for general secretary.
Okay.
Na man. No say it's long overdue. That na seka what so party num da nya ne. And I'm see but on one condition no say there and I'm say over support to me. I say I said we know party them are support now. Who can so surprise him one day bia. We dey Nana Akufo-Addo ba me fie. Ade say ka me mum na me corner na ho.
Na movie.
Na ultimate dey Nana do ba me fie. So I didn't me reinfeed that. So we recounted these things.
To your 3 favorite songs.
Yes, of course. He said, okay, I can continue.
Because you produced it, obviously. Because you produced it, obviously, I can't.
And me no pray.
Oh.
Me no pray. Sanyum no number one.
Hey, won't you shine a bomba incoming general? Bomba no why? It won't some no. And the last 3rd one.
And you baby. Then he na me ko yibi.
And my member bubra emra me ba na me de you know pretty na atwa so am. Is yeah my member bubra no.
I been your hands so yeah quite a favorite song. Yes. Yes.
Wow. And my member abin wa hey wo ho. Say eja wom. You were EMD but
no be a front my crew.
Waja great legacy because there was one thing about him, the music videos, they be an Maya and Warfare channel where she na Lumba dance. Oh, I'm funny crazy. His music still lives on because lyrics no. I be they did do wom, they did to your home bibia ewom. Aja wusu ewo Lumba fie ho. Say you be call honom na honorable na o say o na wo pray me na wo pray any free ho ade embiem na wo na nanti acha me say adwum de bebre wo de bobo so a
me bebre ankwa no ma anim si atwa ope
anim si atwa ope
yeah yes you see one thing with Lumba and ne musical career ni say nenyom no kra we release o mount ya say enye no dey new na another one abetwem na we abetwem so sometimes people will call me kwamna na anu na sit there
ampo honorable ampo go for pin lyrics no
enu ya sit there mi so there to bo bonu bebre I feel hard within the time about I feel them Matthias he is a legend.
Yes.
He is. If he say onipa udi BBC wani so wa brabom na utimi pem ko ho koduro ho a eno na ne yakase ye ma omo ye owa ye owe obi a ne na adom ahyede
no kre
na se yesia mienu miensa ne nan a eni bre ne ahoye anti etimi suppresse ebinom adom ahyede bi o ha na boapa ne yakana hye nanso onyame ti ase na onyame ewo ahoden chen ni pada sanity bonse epiaba ebra yesia and we got to know me in particular na me pe ni hu se mrantie ni mienu na champion that the Lumba won adom akyede ankasa onyame de dom won ene enyom to until the best thing na metimi aya ni se me encourage won sabre ni nyina obi anse de niska na encouragement na obebo wa baso o moya de that kind of showbiz no ma nyanya de ametimi abamu
aye ntina se wo so bo mo sa
nyom mitimi to be da na se no o ma wo ye ma de ti se
na ba kwa na kan iti yenko aja wusu wono mo fie ho sisi an current situation our daddy Lumba fie aja wusu mo ne papa so funa apomo mente wo ho a na yente wonka or mute yourself na yentime ente wonka eti emte efie ne white one no wada ma dan ne hwefie ne so de yentie ne nyom baako me mo no abonyom baako mra yemba na wa set up here na yenhwe ne yewa onu abuche ma call sa wonya otum sa afa ne nkofo pie hu omo nim na omo nim bo mo afa omo hu no it shock you honorable and really and any adwuma first yen kofie hobiem em say owusu are ready owusu morning patch na pom
sister Sandy me ho de senya me asem na onso
ne yen nyina ye kura nyame asem ne mo twitwiri pa ye wada ma atmosphere wo hot saying you betime de anantifie okakra
all right yen hwe infonia twegumei Charles Kojo Ofosu Daddy Lumba le fie ne is Legon obi pimo ewa ha ko chan koko ene tuntum an womo ade abobo gate na no se ne omanfo enim no Daddy Lumba wato anananom ewon siedo entino ne fie eni owura efie no nsusu a abansoro fie no esro no honsusu no behu se womo de kojan abobo bibia ewa ha na abra me bedru ha anopei no nsia no abusia ebi ewo inside ne manager a ono ne nyumto a onene enante kwabena ajima Roman father ono nso ewa around ewa ha ya no ye nene ebetwetwe nkomo na ye bisa no Semba ko mienu bi sene nema eko enti wotimenka ewa ha Sister Sandy aha aye dimpa no pe abra me bedu ha no womanfo a womotete area ha neighbors a womo ewa ha no ekiremu a Daddy Lumba nipa bi o nipa papa anopa bia no oba bedu obegina ne gate anim na se ohu se wotwe ma wochia na ode ne nsa ehye ne botoma na we chop money at the amount and ope bia no omanfo omo wa ha no yo mo show pa nti wo mo kira pa ni papa enti no me bo me ho modern say
yo
manager
Roman
father ebe ke enkomo na yehu de eko hihye abusuan no edi egu akwam se ne omo de abetu dwa se kina ana omo be bi book of condolence no ana nyame adom susu a August onu susu no womo ebe koye vigil ewo Independence Square
okay
ye ne Roman father
okay
Ajimai kwabna Ajimai eni nkomo
yo
na de kontu be pem wo ha
okay
piano obia she tuntum obia obetwem Daddy Lumba papa you know any papa
yada say pe koso na gina mu wonya information bia wo to ma na e ofia ye besum when your manager Roman father na your abofo good morning Roman father Sister Sandy near mo akwa baba Adom TV so
Sandy mejo so
ba cho bibia aboko de
na anu ye ni de anya boko
Yanim say some radio so share abapa because as manager na ne nam de ye hu say adaje ni hokra dia na abaka fa ne ho quickly na ye nja yanim say wo bo adwuma wo ho
Sandy me da say my enchia multimedia enchia Adom TV enchia mo na ne obi a ohwe Adom TV ena nim de asie na araho tenka some radio enchia ebetwie de abusuafo na esenka oni betu dwa se amode share chance could you for so free but eja abefo social media need the likes I know obia ati dia koso but the traditionally no ye twa abusuafo
abo amane
mane na de on share aba but they and it's a book of condolence it will be activated God willing tomorrow from 9 a.m. to 4. And then on the 2nd August, that's coming Saturday, between the hours of 6 p.m. and 10 p.m., there will be a night vigil. Maybe by now, there, Sunday Eddie.
Roman father, me enjoy me da Ahosepe so near church. And come on, ya men ko so an shamodin. Yada say praise yada Ahosepe to adwuma ne so wo honom na ye nto aso a honorable ye de besi kofo pi oni ema pi ka ye de besi o ka so opa animals ne garden ampa ye ko ni fie o say garden ne twa ne ho ahia honorable well final words Lumba fans abusuafo fans obi bia ne yemfansi
enuanom ne adofo asemaba na ne ye ni senya ne a yehu bi dem ye de anti bi dem say adofo bi ebe Danieja indeed ade a friend owo de enyina damansan kom sesase mo de atonwom damansan kom na obia wo follow that the Lumba bia hu se oye ne ho ayie ansana makrakra mo ebia na ma hu me bi enyum bebre out de efa owo asem ho enyese na adwen ne se obewu nemum onim se waye nipa yi ya wo ne de eden a ebeto no enti wo a wo hwe me na wotie me na ye tie ase na ye ntie ase ehu se e kan ye ho na se ne ye bekọ no den ne ebeja din ben ne ebeja na ye hu kra kesi wo akunta buo ben na ye bebu efi se ye gidifo yi Bible your promise and your mammy answer.
Yes.
Say be wo nipa ne ba. No nipa ne ba ne be wu. Na onipa ne ba no bebu akonta. Mienu abem. Ya ma 3 promises. Mienu si a wu nipa. and any pew. So it means say the third one will definitely a baby. Nti da ye be kwa kujina temu na den ye be ka ya nu disemene de ehia no ne ade ehia kwadwe de wadi kan akọ se de kan fo bi kọ no ni nwuma ana edi na chi ono ni nyame ntem eno eye ono na sema ye de betini aya anse bobom pa ya manekra nti mene wa ye ti ase ye mfantu ye hofo sa na montuo bi ne yetu na nso nyame ani na emmoa o man kekere na ekuo kura ye wo mu ye ne ye ne bibia emmoa na tete afofora this is the time bra esese yesa yemfa odo ni ado enyom ba ko no se yemfa odo yesa
nampo
odo nti mo yemfa odo ni biakoye ntina ya ye nipa ye befom ye ho mo yemfa yemfom so nche na yenka hu se onyankopon na de ye ba asase so no wo ye ready ne krado se ye gi yemfom so tuma ode be cheye nti mesre mu nyina se boko na mo nso a ayo madwen se the abbey the beye kasentwie
social for no one abon ka medical mo warning so munya social nkomo ni na
anu de mpacho warning de ne obese iti metu onfo
apa ene yem tu onfo opanyi akasa
futu na nyina mfanye nua akwan the original Lumba brothers no aha me see am palace ne mame Ola Joe Aston Ola
Aston Abem
Trusty Osekwaju
about China ye fane pictures ni na bray exclusively ye go so shegu so Adom so the mamo exclusives ni na JK mu na wo China ye be hu mu mfoni honorable time on yo mo ye adwuma mfoni ni na ye be nya ni na so wo China ye be twa ni na egu exclusive ni na book of condolence or more sign me sure so honorable bedru hon tempa yi we hu your cameras Adom TV ye be twa ni na egu dia mamo we ko fiam pedu me director Mark Weber so ye me director paje Thomas Massa AB Stefano MC a mu na boy chi don honorable ye beda se say to nsafrel we jai politics adwumaina and need wa show because of Charles Sinti nyame sha opi da se nsada me need the sister Sandy be a guy 2 times a guy ye ma ye muso dia ka echi bia de be somo makramo.
Are you ready to see the legend? Should I bring him on? Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the legendary Daddy Lumba.
Oh baby, now so try so crazy now.